The fire came fast. It swept through the canyons, driven by the wind. Dr. Damon Raskin and his family had to flee their home in Pacific Palisades. They watched from a distance as flames consumed everything they owned. It was gone. Their history, their memories, reduced to ashes. But amidst the devastation, a spark of resolve ignited. They would rebuild. They would reclaim their piece of the California dream. The Raskins were not alone. Thousands of families across Los Angeles faced the same heartbreaking reality. The firestorm had left a trail of destruction, a grim testament to the power of nature's fury. Yet, in the face of such adversity, a collective spirit of resilience emerged. Neighbors helping neighbors, strangers offering comfort. The city of angels, wounded but not broken, prepared to rise again. The numbers told a story of immense loss. Thousands of homes were gone, businesses destroyed, entire neighborhoods reduced to rubble. The air, thick with smoke, carried the acrid scent of charred wood and shattered dreams. The cost of the damage was staggering, a multi-billion-dollar scar on the landscape of Los Angeles. The scale of the disaster was difficult to comprehend. It was a blow to the very heart of the city, a stark reminder of the fragility of life and the things we hold dear. But even in the darkest of times, hope finds a way. Volunteers flocked to the affected areas, offering aid and support. Food banks distributed meals, shelters provided refuge. The community rallied, offering a beacon of light in the midst of the darkness. The road to recovery would be long and arduous, but the spirit of Los Angeles, much like the phoenix rising from the ashes, refused to be extinguished. The first step was daunting: clearing the debris. Mountains of ash and rubble had to be removed, each piece a painful reminder of what was lost. The process was slow, painstaking, and emotionally draining. Yet it was a necessary step, a symbolic clearing of the ground to make way for a new beginning. Then came the task of rebuilding. Getting the necessary permits, finding contractors, navigating insurance claims. The challenges seemed endless. The cost of materials had skyrocketed. The demand for skilled labor outstripped supply. The bureaucratic hurdles were overwhelming. Every step forward felt like a victory hard won. The government responded with urgency. Governor Newsom issued executive orders, cutting through red tape to expedite the rebuilding process. Funds were allocated for debris removal and to help families rebuild their lives. Mayor Bass, facing criticism for his initial absence, rallied the city's resources, vowing to rebuild stronger and smarter. The California Building Industry Association stepped up, offering guidance and support to those facing the daunting task of rebuilding. Their expertise proved invaluable, helping families navigate the complexities of construction, permitting, and financing. Resilient rebuilding became the mantra. New homes would be built with fire-resistant materials, incorporating lessons learned from the disaster. The goal was not just to rebuild, but to build back better, to create a future where homes and communities were better equipped to withstand the threat of wildfire.